Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you for the watch this my video. My people, as soon as know for this our channel, say we they bring gists. Apropos anything with no concern gist. Now with the land for this our channel. That's why you see, say this channel with the column. Apropos Saga TV. Anyway, if you don't see that channel news and gist what they do for dear. My people, I beg, make una continue to encourage this channel by subscribing. Just subscribe. It don't take anything from you. Subscribe, put on your notification bell, like and share. I will also appreciate all of you when they watch our video, when they share our video, when also they like this our video. We really do appreciate you all. Okay, guys, I go leave una make una watch this video. This is our latest gist. May I leave una make una watch am. Okay, my people, I will see you now for my next video. Bye bye.
Now you won't see waiting they happen. Maybe since day before yesterday or since yesterday. About every said again, Naija watch. Naija watch where my yige me munya way. It's munya way Naija watch. It's munya way. Where we yore or your boss say kind when you yore no your mose bono boy. We go no fear, you go no ya de buy Naija watch. Lare be emina nani ya wosu no ni ana ya were gbedo gwagwan wa kwa ya video nani. Naija watch. When walk be nu ke duoze na. Okbe nu ke le yo to ta wogun oba ya fe. Wosu no ne come ready. Ge Mr. Kotisugbo be uhun dana gogun oba ge Emmanuel Agbogun. We ba gbe Emmanuel Agbogun no. Ge Emmanuel Agbogun gogun oba no ugweru a uhun Naija watch. I win YouTube no ma ogbo ebo no ma ebo no mama no zele ri huwa ya zebo. Eri huwa ni America o ekenwe gweje na ri ya zebo Naija watch. Okay, you have a recruit web back bene. Oh, we hear do come we agun we ma egwu Emmanuel Agbogun gogun oba ino. Emmanuel Agbogun ni megugun a through messenger. This is about 3 years ago. No ga amogin egwairo here in my own face. Ijeve la diando taiva seni. Emmanuel Agbogun oviedo. Uwa Naija watch no zele bonoma emwe YouTube. Wema go wina YouTube na ogbu ohun. YouTube na u na ya mu jore no vi omoze vovo no ya mu edorovie for so many years. O hama mwe ya ege video na ne. Where why la jodo aka go vi egwa where vi edo in Naija watch. Where uagura bohi my gwanire in Naija watch. Uagura bohi egwani oga gbuwe. Where be hu here. Runda gbobe mi egwe Emmanuel Agbogun oviedo. Ogin oba ino. Zeve no ya we mi awuse ogwe ya ni adogi moto neri efi. Gede de baba. Wo we ka we bege mi na hi akege ade. Ah? Awuse amwe video na ya video egwe. Inwina activist ni mamnu Agbogun gunyewu ewo ni anabio amage yawo ewodo ugwe he do ka ugwe ma bege oze hi afe gi Emmanuel Agbogun gogin oba ino Naija watch gene kuemu wenu kere sana inwina magwa ya nwina wo ajuhu hiye me YouTube ijore no vi omozele do mwe gbogbe ni emu gbugwe do we agwa ga ebe boni u aguze gwabo Uaguzo tornado bo evisedigi. Me megeri you sankwa, I megeri you jegu hun down hin. I megogi o tornado hin eka beni anagbu eseri o ni anamie wo hun. Emmanuel Agbogun gize ona ya video ogwegi moto neri efi. Venu hame nagbi egbe gi moto neri efi. Ona mwe video na ya video egwa. Emmanuel Agbogun ma ti ya video wera ma wo no gwiye kere na. Oze ya fe ni ewado. Egwa a live video no get temegwa negatively. Oyame ya tie about 3 years ago. Ina do gave a messenger. Who are you really? What are you up to? What is the problem? Ina werun davenu ya gwa da egwa. Evani manu agbogun ke wa mo orin egwa rovie in my own face. Mekedo ya gwa lo toto ehia ya gwa makedore. Wa mi ya fe na emoki face. Imanu agbogun oja avi formation e moki face. Naija watch we here we ma onona. Ema ya fen we mi we social media na. Imanu agbogun kole here ni share video gi Imanu agbogun. Your recruiter ya here gwalo deko deve no ya mwe dogbo toy. Wena wo imami ni agwo esununa. Ah? Hey, neni beg no, what dead no mudiayi. De no muna geve. Emini Imanu agbogun yi me ao mie. Vi me no taka me gwai. Metamu when I have a messenger. If this is not 3 years ago, my wife is a dilly. Wugwe minana. Egi me yega amurovie. Onaga muhwe rakoto no kere irovie. Ega ni e friends mega no. Maina duefo nevedero ina block Ema yanu we miega mwe video gi Imanu agbogun. Wugwe social media na. Yon recruiter ya yon tiya ya no ivie do rugunya rokpa. Naija watching wina YouTube ogbu ohun a 419 no mama. Nuri oko nya ko agbon wa la tin go ovie gwa uhi. Kedera keke gware ma enwe. Nu ya mwe dogboto. O ma ti eve dove vana. Wa ge jore ajogwa. Vegani. Una we no ge jo no ga je YouTube hu igo nuwe. No ya mwe dogboto. Matama when I tinye. Then we no de YouTube ni jine. When I get zeginya no kakaboga we mi no uni. Wage asena na tie ni oga jogi jore no vi omose. Wo ifo wana wo hu dan Naija watching u gbeo. Wo kevani panogi dame se wo we rago vi egu I know. Nu lori age vagbon. U we he do ka mi megu we ma egu Imanu agbogun dede ovi edo yeye. Wogi oba no. In fact, I waiting a mark Google on that messenger. Can't you see all his activities in all these years that is always against the palace? Hey, you will do it. Hey, Bonnie, mega mugbijo no your mose we he ga mwegbe Naija watch. Hey, ka benia na uma boma we. Ne ya mwe bogbu we here Naija watch e bone ma ya mugbo ga gbuwe. Ugwe ni ya ga lado kama me ba sopa. Uwe ya ni gwatu ya bono we na eyan ga lado e wa na me egbo mi gbe u ati gbe to fiele. Hun dan ya mi ewe. Hi me ma ere ga ri weje. Hi me ga ri se na gbu e pa ye Naija watch. Okay, when you guys resist, even me ho senania. You make a video na never ko ebonia do mugbu. Oga say ni jore no vi omo se mugbu edo. Runda wo mu dia yo ye ke wo kai we na ga je do. No me ke na ga jige YouTube no ya amu edo gboto no ga mu nu we. Oji oba jievo ne Naija watch. Oji oba jievo. Oji oba jievo ekevani pa wo erin ovi egwa erin no na kodona gera no makoku eni okeva pado ya zelebo no ma ege Naija watch izebo vene oku zebo gene kuemu ije mema egwe Imanu agbogun na ni menagi follow yon pe ni gi block va se ni megi kana memo bogi follow Ewa mo bonona andege yebe ya ladiane vegeni we me gwa wo ma very oni veni emo we gwa say wetin ye ga mo gwa rovie to my own face ya to get the no muna give yebe do tie in some of my videos van seni we me go ni am opportunity I think with terrorist la we gwa ni he udijie Naija watch obo adagbe we Wa wuzo tornado bo zegwani obo. Wa miemi nuwa mie. So kuma yu huweki eme gwani. Ibe blogger no mama. Uje blogger uya siye saga gbarangbari. As if that's not enough. Emmanuel Bogun, your supply information. Give monkey face. Right from the time the monkey face yasunwe no. Okay, manikba when he ado yagi moto no monobafi. Imagine a king. A monarch. Okay, wakwana mwe video na ya video ya here. Wagu waseni ve here. And still seeing all his activities or what activists in normal mind he. Anyway, I have to follow this guy for a while. And when oya no mwe dogbo toni, that was why ni mena kwa mubole li evegeni. It not got to the extent ina woka keni tie boy na. And osemega no ina tie ve messenger. E keni ina wa confirm for imeriga mwe bogbe ina zegie bloke. Huh? Even here time me message I went guy all the regard back women. And he has succeeded in recruiting so many. And when your friend wage go share a video with social media na a group of payahin. A gang of payahin. Abo ge here friend ne moki face italona Emmanuel Bogun of your gear. And here over here do gelegele. Gurunda wamio yamwe nini negbe. Umane mi no sunu uaja tale mi no mae kenimena ge ekere na ufin ove na yoma o egbege oko Naija watchi evisi no vie digin egbagbon ge oko won gbe mi agu resist nege live. Oh man, no, he not succeed. You understand? Do you know how many years he has been cooking all these things up? He worry agmona doria. U beti le lugwe Facebook here. Ijo renovi omozati evo gwa magie yo. Una da YouTube yino ya akun go danu. Ugu ne wagu yo 419. We magi egu wo 419. Emi okpele lugwe messenger ke una handle emi na nane una do mo hia la jona do akpe ige nekuemu. Agbon gweje na agbon gwere na e Naija watchi. Agbon gwere na we mana egu manu agbogun for so several years. He has been an enemy to the kingdom. He's not even from there. Oh, this side dogabe mina wodo ugwe deta okere. Ha, udi ye buwede yeti do la man viene and ni kakaboge ya ige video na neba hwe. A ohia legawe. Wa ju hwe ki eme YouTube. O modan, o iladin eri yen okaime. Oka ma ogbu ohun ge nekuemu abo zen we doni no te de keke no we yari awe latia o ma ne gwagme begie wati evedo umagi omo na jo una we no ga kun igo we ma begege bona mu gbijo re no vi omo se ni wo gbe no, he just gave himself that name. You understand? He's very much against in fact, you know, I've not been following him now for a very long time after I blocked him about 3 years ago. He told me a lot of horrible things. He using mouth to spoiling Papa finish. Spoil the land when he come from this Emmanuel Bogun. I they come outside the talk around that time now. He don't take. So as me, yes now. The feeling is deep. Yes. He is the worst enemy to Benin Kingdom, not to the only to the palace. So I'm telling you, if you see things when Manuel Gbogun tell me before I come, they fire, swear for and say, hey, you are an enemy. The following day, I can't do video. Put for this thing. I don't know where that video go there now. Because not be this he place I did that time. This my war. This my mamila, no. But I could still remember. I couldn't tell people, say, may they stay away from this boy, oh. May they stay away from Emmanuel Gbogun, oh. He's a threat to that our kingdom. It is up to, in fact, they just give her that work, say, make it can do. Me, I don't know, saying, see, they do all these things since. I've not been following him. Thank God Almighty say he never succeed, though. This is a terrorist to our land. If he had the slightest opportunity today, I just tire. He not come from there. Not from Urobo side and all that. Now he come from, he can't go give himself this name. When this idiot, after I do Yore on finish, all these years where would they call it Yore, may she go home. Now this Naija watch, every said digging, every sinovia digging, now he tell Yore say make it not go. After I go say Papa na chief. Una don't see this kind of useless, stupid thing in una life. See the problem we don't cause for all presenters here. When those people, they start coming out first of all, me and they say jealousy or something. I don't know, say because they see and say na evil. Every said again. He go fit say, as far as me concerned, you where you call yourself a blogger, you supposed to know, even before me I know, years back, say Manuel Gbogun is an enemy to Benin Kingdom. So the same thing when it play Yore, when it come back Yore, if we want to talk, and if we have to say itself, na the Visadigi na be Ogioba, not be Yore, na push on. When it can come outside, they call that one 419, they call on this and that. You say somebody they do wrong to your own place where you come from, where you even they call your papa chief. Then you can they operate that YouTube for them. Make it still continue to they do that wrong thing. So who can be the enemy of the land? Now if you say digging, na YouTube work be wagmo. Iwa mwina ve de agbe. Ulori wa de agbodo mwe erwe mina Boko Haram yuhun veva ni ga zuo veva. Domwe erwe Boko Haram domwe glassy. Amemie de wu wogi ladian so wagmo. Dosi wa du. Wogi de ya we ladian we live video I beg ya we I beg say so. Gizige bono mama. Ukmona mio ena black and black in the black in wine black ana lawe gbe. Na aje mi ne ku we mi vagmo. O mama la je live video mama soni. Do ye me na ge su no ka ge lejeva. Do atale me no mai o ke va ne pa do azele bo no mama. E bonne la ho e bonne rien ve ho. Zebo ve ne hu ne gwa ko zebo ze. Ye deva kway do dim yo boy you wabi manu agbogun no lord ya de gigbon no maruwe. Agi be evon wekerenia. Ru da ri wa fon mi hia. Eru wa chifi. Lare ogi jore no vio mozen we sifi eti. Oni ma esenwe. O ma esenwe. Una ve gberbe ya mo ogin oba ogin osa. Ogin agbon ogin emi na gi manu agbogun. Uve gwerebe ya mu bagbe. I obukana omeminu gwalo Enika oga no water. Umaje gbese venuriena. No do you TV YouTube. Runda de agbe iwa nwina. Ukerek bene nwina. And just because of social media money. Just because of God Almighty. Is your on the whole Bini gather together to do all those things that time. He sit there, even the worst part of it, when he's supposed to even leave that YouTube, when they take destroy, so he consider draw that one money. Say Yore must come buy the YouTube from her. Idiot in Magbena. Emine do hiana miekwenye. Wo bi Yore gize dedo. Edo hiana miekwenye ko my kegele. Ohama mi muwe unagaro toteva. Unagaro toto una mwe gbage YouTube ni weno ya amu igo guwe. Igu guwe ige miame. Igu guwe miame. Nu weno ga kwa guwe be YouTube. Go modan. How come o? Oh, man, no give me a terrorist na. Dana gi manu egbogun no gi resist Ne moki fesi jena de moki fesi na geleka. De oge metana. Moki fesi na gele mwegbe wi aki egberegbe oge na. Wa miemenitana. De manu egbogun or kasun avie all those fake information, false rumors, all those fallacies. Then you ga avie oge moki fesi. Runda meteme no defo. Even Mokifes to an extent confirmed it himself. Every on your bayena do you know ye? What do ya reveal it to me on messenger? Walking doing he. Iweti Manuel Bogunga mwera rovi. The messenger ni metamu wana. Itaive no berania. What we are resist Emmanuel Egbogun veni ye mo we do ni se mo we go ani se. O mama oba we protesting no. Ti ya vie Fulani hesme o weti yen we ni ado protest. Just to achieve his aim, and he has been working for so many years now towards this. Huh? He ever said again, oh, deko de danu mudia ye do no. O salobo oga bagobo yowe. Mama danke mama danu me da do me da guani. Gwa wenu dokin yo le YouTube. Ever said again, he weti huwa. When weke resena, huwa de agbenye riekpo yan rinwina. Nu de kwen black and black yegbe. When I get Spider-Man, go to no mubieka. Nu do je zuo vena gi mak besu yeva. We boni jore no vi omozemu gbuweni no. I ulo efe. Ulo efe runda odo viere veko we de ture re kami we mi dan ye ga over seni Una ga pe yo una we no carry on una ga operate YouTube ni ne no ya muhu we ra ne digini rovie. Uje jena. He, obokana. Wa miemi nu gwalo. Wa miemi nu gwalo. Emmanuel Egbogun yena mi opportunity. Oh, eti ya vie Fulani. I'm telling you about we protesting, no. Where there are from so place around that Edo state. Just to get to the palace. Ona mini naja obege wemi na ose metana meni Manuel Egbogun guimegun ave messenger metana. That should be about 3 years because I believe all 7 ni ya block and the page na ega jeve geni. This mama mila ato. Who come u, avo bewiwe. Urewe bogo odion sueja u e Naija watch. U bewiwe no mama. When me we fake story u ya talo evani. Ne fake story buwe. Uriogion babo vove manona ya kwedo ya. Agi be ni ade wokwe veri yeke moki face. Kugweke ugmeve gwawe mano agbogunia o se wahine. Uwe ti we. Runda ige gie igu ve miame. E ugu kwahia. Uwe nwa vokana nuwe ja finya wujera visual. Get to Gualiga gie. Ikon we andoya akpoto yo votova hue. Ugwavi manu agbogun ni gbono maro wa lori eri vagbon. Ogun ogbu egbim. Even manu agbogun weti e ya mudi ayedo. O dedan emine gwagi wi manu agbogun we. Iwe ugwa va wa lori eri vagbon. O he salobo we mi agbona se fi salobo agbone mo na gi era enji agbagmo e na yi ege abo oge ya no iwa vitalo kege ade kwegbe mu ni jore do ya expose webe ma o mai tekeke we are social media na go mono fava o ne vise digin no wo yin Naija watch no mama iwa ya ni we blogger e hia mwegbe no no gele ladian uda esu ohin kugwe kemi no amujo wa do si o akugbe hisalo boamena ogie iya agwe kon ima ewu hun dano marere emi bwa video regba we ekenugu na de YouTube no wa ya amedogbo to yi no ne. Those things are supposed to be secret. Una ya vie here ladi. Oni okay doze we for one eye. Ya owuta no mwe no igbogede no mago ove mwe no go edo. A secret joren we ya viola ten you know say the egbu we for one eye. Runda wawo gba rigoni to the extent uma jeveje YouTube nene una we no do hasano zeve sunu kunye suno kagele. Nagi do akagi jore novio mose gima yokpa no o a partner in crime one zu wa Naija watch no ye visa digin iya ge video na never kwa even yagu ove o ehun ime na ugbo ve me na gu we gwana idenu ahwe idenu ogun odogbu wa ve manu agbogun wa hwe wa lori eri gig mono maru any manu agbogun. So thank you wa ya wa kin we kiani me mi no ja me mi bampana iwa fia mo ya takere bikokpa so a video no wa ya gun kan me save you ton oni me akage be de agbe wa ugbo vi wife hu. All right, thank you you when you go me the feeling is deep. Thank you wa ya wa kin we.
Thank you all for watching this video. We really do appreciate you all. I hope una see wetin our big mama talk for inside this video. She don't come outside come send message to Naija watch. Me no be like say na me analyze am, my people. Make una help me analyze am for the comment section. And not forget to share and like this video. And we see you all in our next video. Bye bye. Stay blessed.